Hello and welcome to our Java tutorial. So today we are going to talk about enum. So ano ang enum? Enum, or short for enumerations, represent a special data type in Java that allows a variable to have a predefined set of constant values. So an example of this would be ito, yung mga days of a week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then, nagay natin ang natin dito, ang system.out.println lines para sa days. So, pwede natin ito i-code any type of way itong enumerations. I will show you the dates first. And then sa sizes natin, yan. So, as you can see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, let's change this to mga sizes. So, ito, like medium, large, at extra large. And now let's change this to ito yung mga sizes natin. So pwede ka mag-code. You can code anything with enumeration. Limitless naman ito. And then it will show our sizes naman.